My beautiful flock enjoying millet, while Quieksen takes a nap. She always misses out. The two eating now is Princess Snowflake and Rainbow Rob. Flirtatious boy Golden Face in the background is Loki, and his woman there is Quieksen. The white girl is Princess Snowflake. I know it's a silly name, but... In my flock I have a yellow face, two golden faces, and of course my little snowflake who's, I guess, a recessive pied, or whatever you call it. And I forgot the other one's mutation. I forgot what it's called, but oh well. Oliver here is a golden face, but you really can't tell in this video. His name is Oliver, my little golden face in the background. That's a little bit olive color mixed with green. He's a sweetie. Quieksen, do you have something to say? You have something to say, little girl? That's Quieksen, Loki, Snowflake, Princess Snowflake, and Rainbow Rob. And my little man there is Oliver in the bottom. Quieksen, you being a silly girl. What you doing? What you doing, little girl? You being silly? What a pretty little girl you are. Yes, you are. What a beautiful little girl. Loki, you being silly. I guess a 5-minute video of budgies eating millet is kind of boring, but oh well. Every time I try to get Loki on camera doing something, he stops. So I give up. Even though he's so beautiful. Look at that. heel and his fuzzy bum. So cute. What a fuzzy bum you got there, Loki. Yes, you do. You got a silly boyfriend there, Quieksen. Man, this is going to take all day to load up to YouTube. Oliver, you don't need to groom anymore. You're pretty. Yes, you are.